In today's video, I wanted to show you this new flashlight I picked up from Home Depot. And I did purchase this with my own money, so I will mark it paid for by me. This is a LED detachable tripod light. It's 800 lumens and it's 14.8 inches. Just compact design with a 32-inch extended tripod. So let's open this baby up. And what is this right here? It says battery level indicator. And they're coming out with some, that's kind of what it looks like right there. So you're actually opening this up with me. And for the first time, I found this the other day and I'm a sucker for a good flashlight. So I hope this is as good as what they say. Or I don't know who says what, but so if I like this, I'm probably going to buy some more. If you're getting good value on my channel, I appreciate it if you go down there, hit the like and subscribe button, hit the bell icon when you get notified when I post a new video or go live. So it comes with a use and care guide, and then it has a light here, and with a tripod, and you can see it's got metal in here. It comes with a cord, and then here with the flashlight, let's see here, before I break it, apparently it articulates like this. Well, you can't see that. So apparently it articulates like that. Right now it's about, it's with it down like this, it's about 16 inches high or so. And I'll go way up. You can kind of see I have on my production desk here, it kind of goes down here. So let's see how that looks. And I'm assuming it's not too difficult, so I'll bring it back down. 1888 HD Husky. If you need to ask him anything. I'm not sponsored by anybody. Position the light. The lamp head can rotate 360 degrees horizontally. And this is where you charge it. Well, that's pretty cool. Or high, medium, low, strobe. That's high. So I'm going to see if this has the turbo. So this doesn't have the turbo. Hit the release button against the ground to open the tripod. Okay. So it's supposed to kind of open up by itself. Okay, that's not too bad. Okay, so that was pretty cool. Remove the lamp head from the tripod by rotating the lamp head counterclockwise. I guess it's screwed on. Yeah, it's actually screwed on. And then this has got magnets on it. That's pretty neat. That's pretty neat. So if you just want to take this off by itself and not use the other part. Trying to see, make sure it doesn't have the turbo mode. So high, low, high, medium, low. You could potentially use this tripod for something else if you didn't want it on the same tripod. I don't know why you wouldn't, but so then you to put it back on. So there is magnets right there. They're pretty strong too. Sorry, I got some. I'm in my garage, and obviously somebody's got a dog out there. Never fails. Never fails. So I want to kind of keep it with the, so you have to turn the light to where it kind of bends down like that. So it's pretty neat. Gives you some pretty good light. And it does have indicators right here. Tells you when the battery's going low and all that. So that's pretty neat. Just a nice little flashlight. The compact design is 14.8 inches and the 32 inches extends with the tripod. Stands like that. So that is yeah, they're right at 32 inches. So, which is pretty cool. So you just kind of, ow, don't get your finger stuck in there. And then you got yourself a light where you can turn it like that if you want to.
I'll be back.